like our dotted ones. It's like our dotted chickens.
Yeah, almost, except he's brown and not white.
Cool. That thing's awesome. That guy's so cool.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I can see him from up here. Ow. Cool. I wish I had your binoculars just in case I can see him.
You don't need Daddy's binoculars.
Yeah. Because I can see that owl far away. Cool. Owl's kind of cool looking. Just like I'm awesome. Awesome's way better than cool. I wish me and the owl were friends. Because that way he would land on my shoulder. You do know that owls' heads are very bendy. So they can go around to the back. And then back to forward. And that's how owls turn their heads.